What if I told you the future of your business could hinge on a new kind of employee, an AI employee? These aren't your typical hires. We're talking about AI agents that work tirelessly behind the scenes, transforming how businesses operate and grow. Sounds intriguing, right? Stick around because I'll show you how these AI employees are already reshaping small businesses. And at the end of this video, I'll share how you can jump into this growing industry yourself. Let's start with digital AI employees, the easiest way for small businesses to get started with AI. First, there are AI receptionists. These include AI voice assistants that handle customer interaction. Imagine you run a small salon or a restaurant. Instead of answering calls all day, your AI receptionist can book appointments, confirm reservations, or send reminders all automatically. Customer service chatbots are another great example. They can answer FAQs, help customers navigate a website, or even recommend products. Unlike human employees, they're available 24/7 and never miss a question. For small businesses, that means happier customers and more time to focus on growth. Once a business sees the impact of these external-facing AI employees, it's easier to introduce internal AI employees. Think of internal AI employees as your back office, digital co-pilots working right alongside you and your team to simplify the hard stuff and make your day-to-day tasks a whole lot easier. Take Microsoft Copilot, for example. Let's say you need to put together a proposal, analyze some data, or even build a presentation. Instead of starting from scratch, Copilot steps in to draft a polished version for you in seconds. It's like having a teammate who's always ready to help. These AI co-pilots don't just save time, they take the frustration out of learning new tools or managing complex marketing campaigns. Whether it's creating an email sequence, setting up automations, or turning messy data into clear insights, these systems make it simple and efficient. And the best part? They free up your team to focus on the work that really matters, like strategy, creativity, and growing your business. But the possibilities don't stop there. The future of AI employees extends beyond the digital space. Physical AI employees, like robots, are already transforming industries like logistics and retail. Think about robots that can assist with stocking shelves, delivering packages, or even greeting customers. These technologies might feel far away for small businesses, but they point to the incredible potential AI employees have to scale operations and reduce costs. So why do AI employees even matter for small businesses today? Time is money. AI employees work 24/7 and in multiple languages, taking on repetitive tasks so business owners can focus on what they do best, serving their customers and growing their businesses. Here's the big picture. As businesses adopt AI employees, the demand for experts who can set up and manage these systems is growing rapidly. That's where you come in. By learning how to implement AI employees, whether it's chatbots, internal tools, or even advanced physical systems, you can help businesses transform while building a valuable service for yourself. To help you get started, I've created a free training that breaks down exactly how to implement AI employees for your clients. It's packed with practical strategies and tools to get you ahead. Comment training below to access it, and let's make 2025 the year you unlock the power of AI employees for small businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.